These are critically endangered. 99.7% of their population has gone already, and what we're trying to do is to get that population back. So even if we had 300 nesting on this beach next year, it still wouldn't make a dent in the fall in the population. That's the belly button and it's healed. On the end of the nose here, they've got like the little nose hook, and that's how they get out of the shell, by rubbing that on the inside of the shell. Now you can see that the eyes are wide open and it's ready to go.
So here at Jamaica Inn, this is just one of the many exciting and very interesting activities that you can expect during the summer.
We're going to tip the bucket over, the turtles are going to walk to the sea. They need to see the sea because that brightness is what they're aiming at.
The sheer fact that we are making sure that they at least reach the ocean really helps with the numbers of survivors. Quite a handful of nests this year. It's actually grown and been growing quite regularly or exponentially over the last few years, just through our recovery program. Come and join us in the summer. That's our turtle hatching season, and we can almost guarantee during April and end of October, November that you will see a hatching during that time.